Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You open Bgmi and act now. Confirm the game is updated and you granted storage permissions so settings save correctly. Once done, tap the gear icon to open settings, then choose audio immediately. Don't wander through menus. Make sure your headphones are plugged in or phone volume is audible so you can verify changes. You're starting with the exact screen where lobby music controls live. This sets the scene for the quick toggles we'll do next. You're in audio. Drag the music slider to 0 and toggle any labeled lobby music off. That stops the in-game soundtrack. Also lower ambient and background sliders because some lobby tunes are treated as ambience. Once done, back out and press apply or save so the setting persists. If sound still plays, check resource packs under settings and disable any auto music packs. These packs can override sliders. Make sure your global media volume isn't forcing audio through app-level overrides. You finish by restarting Bgmi so saved audio changes take effect. This flushes temporary audio playback states. If music still appears, clear the app cache and phone settings, then relaunch and recheck the audio sliders. Reinstall only if needed. This resets resource packs and corrupted files. Troubleshooting tip: if the soundtrack persists, close background media apps and disable any system-level app volume controls or third-party audio engines. They can inject music into the lobby, despite Bgmi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.